Hi friends, ready for a story about fall leaves? There are lots of different colors. Sometimes the leaves are still green and sometimes they change colors and just fall to the ground. Let's find out about it. Did someone paint the leaves I see? Could that be? They seem to shout, "Hey, look at me!" Leaves of gold and leaves of red tell a fun-filled day ahead. There's kites flying, people walking. There's a reflection of the tree in the water. Do you see that? Fun for chipmunks, fun for squirrels. This squirrel's holding an acorn. How fun. Fun for boys and fun for girls. It's getting close to Halloween time where pumpkins come out to play. Fun to bat them in the air. Fun to chase them here and there. Leaves go flying. Next time you see them coming down, hit them and see what happens. Small leaves, thin leaves, fat leaves, and round are fun to hunt on the ground. Lots of different shapes and lots of different colors. Good for making leafy shapes of slinky snakes and silly apes. These designs are made all from leaves. What do you think you can make from a leaf? Collect some leaves and make a picture. Good for crunching under feet on the way to trick or treat. Have you ever stood on leaves and went crunch, crunch, crunch? Do they make a loud sound or a quiet sound? Give it a try. Good for raking in big piles. Good for making great big smiles. Look like they're having a lot of fun. Hide and seek. There are 5 squirrels hidden in this picture. Let's see if we can find them. Here's 1, 2, 3. Where could the other ones be? Is there one here? I don't see one. There's one in the tree. 4. We need one more. 5. We found 5 in a tree. Look outside and see if you see any squirrels along with your leaves. Bye, friends.